Hey everyone, if you're someone who dreams of being your own boss, then you've landed on the right video. So today I'm diving deep into the trending topic of how to start an LLC in California. I'm in New York, but I have numerous clients in California, so I'm very familiar with the process. Now, if this is your first time seeing me, I'm so glad you found me. My name is Coach Tasha, and on my channel, I talk about entrepreneurship and taxes. I'm a business growth consultant and tax strategist, and I've been in business for 18 years at the time of filming this video, servicing clients all across the United States, helping them start, grow, and market their own business, in addition to helping them maximize on tax savings and minimize on tax liabilities. Now, starting an LLC might sound like a big deal, but it's honestly all about taking it step by step. First things first, what is an LLC? Well, it stands for a limited liability company. It pretty much protects you like a corporation, although it's not actually a corporation, okay? At least not in the eyes of the IRS. So let's say, for example, your business faces some debts or some legal issues. Your personal assets like your home and savings and other assets generally won't be at risk. Now, this is how you and your business exist separately. Okay, next you'll need to pick a name. The name can't be the same as or even remotely similar to the name of an existing LLC in California, okay? And you can actually find this out by doing a simple search on the California Secretary of State website. When you do choose your name, it has to have limited liability company or at the end or abbreviated with LLC or L.C, okay? As an example, let's say a salon owner wanted to name her business Michelle's Hair Studio LLC, okay? So that would be fine. Now, if you need some help choosing a name, I'll leave a link in my description box of a video I did a while back about naming your business, and I mentioned numerous resources to help you out. Plus now, guys, we have artificial intelligence to help us, okay? Please tell me you've heard about ChatGPT. I love ChatGPT, and I personally use it in my business and in my personal life. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT, go visit chat.openai.com and sign up for free at the time of filming this video. Okay, they do have a paid version, but it should be fine to stay on the free version until you feel that having the paid version would be more beneficial to you, okay? Now, how it works, guys, is like when you ask it questions, that's called a prompt. So the better your prompt, the better result that ChatGPT will respond with. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, just let me know, because I'd love to do it to help you in your business, okay? Hey, one quick sec. If you're someone looking to start your own LLC, don't navigate the LLC world alone. In my LLC master course, you will learn how to master the setup without using any of the online platforms. You'll also learn LLC compliance, LLC taxes, deductions, basically set yourself up for success. So go visit bit.ly/setupyourLLC. Okay, back to the video. Now let's move on. Assigning an agent for service of process. Don't let that intimidate you. It's actually just someone who will receive your legal papers by mail or whatever on behalf of your LLC. It could be you, a friend, a family member, or whatever, or a business that offers this service. It's really crucial to make sure that this agent is reliable and will inform you promptly if any legal documents come in, okay? So definitely choose wisely, all right? Even like I said, if it's a family member or a friend. And they also must be in California. Now, most of what I covered so far are things you're gonna need to have in place prior to setting up your LLC in California, because as you prepare and file your articles of organization, this document is going to ask you for all of this information, okay? And let me just take a moment and say that some of you out there may already have an LLC set up and you're just trying to expand into California. And if that's the case, you're actually going to be filing paperwork for a foreign LLC. Okay, so there's a difference. Now, after that, you'll want to prepare your operating agreement, which this is not mandatory. It's an internal document, but it's really super helpful, okay? And it's kind of like a rule book for how you're going to operate your LLC. And you can actually locate some basic templates online like rocketlawyer.com or lawdepot.com, okay? And yeah, those should be pretty resourceful, and there's many more out there. Now, you're also going to need an EIN, which stands for your employer identification number. It's like a social security number, but for your business, all right? And you'll need this for taxes, banking, and many other things. You can actually get this for free right on the IRS website, okay? When you go through a service provider, of course, they're going to charge you for the service, but you can do it for free, and I actually got a video on my website walking you through step by step. I'll leave that link as well. I've seen people make all kinds of careless mistakes with this process, so do yourself a favor and watch my video, okay? Now, I also want to take a minute to mention the importance of keeping all of your information and documents organized, even if you have it like digitally stored in cloud space or whatever. Really try to avoid being unorganized in your business, because it honestly just makes your business operations so much harder, okay? Even down to like storing passwords and things like that. You know, just stay as organized as possible. Now, within 90 days of setting up your LLC, all California LLCs are required to file what's called an initial statement of information. And it's a required filing that keeps the state up to date about your LLC, including its members, the address changes, etc. There is a filing fee for this, and you're required to file this statement every year to stay in compliance. And actually, don't forget that all of these filing fees are a tax write-off for your business. Speaking of updating information, please don't forget to update the IRS about any changes you make to your LLC, like especially address changes and things like that. Okay, they may need to send you important information. Okay, and also, yeah, even if your physical or your mailing address changes, okay, update your EIN accordingly. All right. Now, another annual requirement with California is that you file what's called an annual minimum, or pay an annual minimum franchise tax. All right, to the California Franchise Tax Board. Now, normally that's usually around $800, okay, every year. Now, at the time of filming this video, if you do it before January 1st, 2024, you may qualify to get that waived. And if you're watching this video after January 1st, 2024, just check with the Secretary of State and confirm what the annual franchise tax fee is, okay? Again, it's a tax write-off on the federal side. Okay, now it's important to remember that every business is unique, so you definitely want to check with your local county or city or whatever to make sure that if you need any permits or special licenses to operate your LLC, that you got it all in place. Okay, so there you have it. I gave you a beginner-friendly guide to getting your LLC started in California. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and taxes. If you have any questions, drop them below. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.